Today I'm introducing a new series that focuses on children's liturgy and Sunday school. This is the booklet that will be containing all the information. So the intended audience for this series are those who are running children's liturgy or the Sunday school. So people involved in the parish, taking that time with the children's liturgy that starts just after the beginning of the Mass up to after the homily, which is a fairly brief period, or Sunday school, which could be a bit longer and will have children who are possibly a bit older or taking a wider range of ages of children. The readings are selected from the Sunday's readings, if at all possible. They could be from the Psalms, from the first reading, the second reading, the third reading, picking something that is appropriate for the children. But occasionally what happens is that there is nothing really that's suitable and another choice needs to be made. In this case, the readings will come from, for example, the weekday readings prior to that Sunday, or perhaps after that Sunday occasionally, or the feast days occurring around that same time. They could also focus upon the understanding of the Mass and the parts of the Mass and teaching the children how to pray their way through the Mass. In fact, the first presentation this week is taken from week 21 on the Friday, although it's week 22 when it's being presented on the Sunday, and it focuses on the wise and the foolish maidens.